Hi guys, the kitchen fairy here. I am outside today for some fresh air with the boys at the backyard. We just wanted to wish you happy Easter. I hope even though this is a celebration, you guys are still self-distancing just to be safe. As you can see, we still have a lot of snows, but yeah, we are surely missing to go outside, so backyard it is. Today I have a recipe for another sourdough baking. I am not bored with it yet. So many possibilities to make with the sourdough starter. And today the recipe is for sourdough with chocolate chips and raw pepitas. I'll see you soon. Bye! So what I have here is about 1,000 gram or 1 kilogram bread flour and 700 gram of water, lukewarm, and the levain, which is 1 tablespoon of sourdough starter mixed with 100 gram water and 100 gram of flour, bread flour or all-purpose flour, whichever you have, and leave it for 4 to 6 hours and you will get doubled in size. And we're gonna add it to our bread flour and water. You just want to mix it with wooden spoon for this first stage. To be sticky as this, leave it as is for 1 hour and then we will return to the dough and add more water and of course additional like salt and chocolate chips and whatnot. 1 hour is up. We're gonna add 50 gram of water, 20 gram of salt, 1 handful of chocolate chips. We're gonna knead it just a little so that the salt and everything else incorporated nicely into the dough. Now that everything is mixed in, we're gonna rest it for another 1 hour, and after an hour we're gonna do the French fold for 3 times every half hour. Now that the dough has been rested for 30 minutes, we're gonna do the French fold, which is grab from the right side to the center, grab from the left side to the center, grab from the top to the center, and then grab from the bottom to the center. This is French fold, and you have to do this for 4 times, and that's counted as 1 set. And then you're gonna rest it for another 30 minutes, and then you're gonna repeat this step for 2 more. So 3 times 4 set. So this is after 30 minutes resting. So again, you have to do the French folding, which is 4 set of folding, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's 4 times. And then rest 30 minutes and then repeat that French folding for 2 more. So 3 times, like 1.5 hours, but each time 4 set of French folding. This will be our last one. We're gonna rest it half hour before we're gonna divide it into 2 loaves. After resting for the last 30 minutes, now the dough is ready to be divided into 2 loaves. We're just gonna dump it on our working board, and then if you have bench scraper, it will be easier for you to divide this dough into 2 loaves. If not, you can use whatever you have, like a knife. This will be much easier with bench scraper, but I don't have, so I make do with knife. And then for each of the portion, you're gonna shape it into a round loaf. Now that you have 2 loaves, you shape it by cupping and pulling it toward you with both of your hands. Now that you have 2 loaves, we're gonna rest it 20 minutes before we chill them in the fridge for overnight. That 20 minutes is up. The dough is rested. We're gonna move them. It's sticky. La 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 la. Maybe next time I should sprinkle with little flour. You're gonna move your dough into their proofing basket, and then we're gonna chill them overnight. Now that they're on the proofing bowl, we're just gonna cover the top with cling wrap, and they're ready for the fridge. Morning, guys. After resting for a night, chilled in the fridge, as you can see, it filled up the basket again. We're just gonna turn it over, and then we have to give a little score, but a deeper one, so a steam can release a bit. It also helps when they expand while baking. Meanwhile, you want to preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Just gonna take this off slowly. If you can do little arts, you can do that for sure, but I'm not gonna do arts because I don't know how. But I'm just gonna make a little scoring or incision or whatever here and there. Now that the dough already scored or some incision here and there, you're just gonna lift the parchment paper into your Dutch oven. Put back the lid, and we're gonna bake it for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna open the lid and bake it for another 25 minutes. There it is. We're just gonna take it out of the Dutch oven and cool it on cooking rack for at least an hour before we slice it.
But now you can make raisin bread.